Hey guys, this is Jackson here, and I have a little bit of free time over the next couple of months, and so what I'm going to be doing is offering personal one-on-one Unreal Engine lessons where we can go through and learn anything you want. We can do whatever you want. I can teach you anything that I know. So if you are a person who is new to Unreal, or even if you are quite an experienced developer and you like the things that I put out and you want to learn more from me, then this is for you. Like we can do literally whatever you want. With that said, my areas of expertise are with blueprints. I'm a blueprint guy. So if you want to get better at blueprints in general, using interfaces, functions, macros, whatever, artificial intelligence, behavior trees, any AI sort of stuff, like I'm your guy for that. Random generation, procedural generation, particularly stuff that's maths heavy as well. Like I can teach a lot of maths and algebra and things like that, which is something that I think a lot of people struggle with when it comes to game development. I can explain how to do flying AI and how to do physics and things like that. Like that's cool. I can do multiplayer. I can teach you how to make your games multiplayer. Whatever you want. If you're unsure, send me a message and we can figure it out. But the way that this is going to work is it's going to be online. I can show you my screen and I can see your screen and we can talk and go back and forwards and just spend some time together. And I can hopefully impart on you more than just some technical knowledge of Unreal. I think what's important when it comes to game design, and like honestly with anything in life, I feel like yes, it's about the technique and it's about the technical knowledge, but at the same time, it's just as equally about like learning to think properly, learning to think clearly, having a problem of something that you're trying to solve, and then knowing how to go about finding the information that you need, knowing how to make a plan for how you're going to do this thing, and then being able to execute on that plan and troubleshoot what you've done. I feel like I can help you do that depending on where you're at. So if you feel like you want to work with me and learn some technical stuff and just spend some time together and get a bit of information from me, then I'm doing lessons, baby. They're going to be $30 for half an hour in Australian dollars, or $50 for the whole hour. But if that's a deal breaker for you because you can't afford it and still want to work together, then just contact me and maybe we can figure something out. It is a bit hard when it's one-on-one time because I've only got so much time, but if you're dedicated and you really want to learn, like I'm happy to help you out. So if you're interested, send me an email at jacksonnexhip@gmail.com. I'll probably put a link to that in my description somewhere, or I think it's on my YouTube page. You can contact me on Instagram as well, just at jacksonnexhip, and let me know if you want to work together. That's it, guys. Peace out, and looking forward to it.